This is the fourth part of summary writing. So open your books, page number 137, second paragraph. Now listen carefully. Investigations may reveal, see the meaning of this word, reveal. Reveal, it means show. Investigations may reveal various types of disorder like dyslexia. See the meaning of this word, dyslexia. A disorder involving difficulty in learning to read or interpret words, letters, or other symbols. So dyslexia, it means it is a disorder, a kind of problem. In this disorder there are problem in learning to read and interpret words, letters and other symbols in the book or language. Dyslexia, digraphia. See the meaning of this word, digraphia. It means inability to write coherently as a symptom of brain disease or brain damage. Dyslexia, digraphia and dyscalculia. See the meaning of this word, dyscalculia. It means severe difficulty in making arithmetic conclusions as a result of brain disorder. Dyslexia, digraphia, dyscalculia, specific reading disability. Auditory processing disorder. See the meaning of this word, auditory. Auditory, it means relating to hearing. APD, HD, ADHD, etc. So what is the information is given here? Investigations may reveal various types of disorder. So, if we investigate, so we will find out that there are many kinds of disorder, many kinds of problem children have in learning process, such as dyslexia, dygraphia, dyscalculia. Dyslexia, it means that child have learning problem to learning read and interpret words, letters and symbols. Dygraphia, it means that child have inability to write coherently. It means he cannot write a sentence together, complete sentence, straight sentence, clear sentence. And dyscalculia, it means the child have some arithmetical problem, some mathematical problems. This kind of different kinds of disorders are given here. And another one is given here, that is auditory processing disorder, APD. It means any child have problems to hear words properly, that is also a disorder. Auditory processing disorder, also known as central auditory processing disorder. It is a condition that affects the sound that travels unimpeded. See the meaning of this word? Unimpeded, it means not obstructed or not block up or hindered. Unimpeded through the ears is processed and interpreted by the brain. Interpret, see the meaning of this word? Interpreted, it means to try to explain the meaning of. So, APD, it means auditory processing disorder. This is also known as central auditory processing disorder. What happened in this disorder? In this disorder, this affects the hearing capacity of a child. In this disorder, the sound not stop in the ear of the child, it directly pass to the brain, and the brain interpret or process those sound itself. Individuals with APD, it means auditory processing disorder, do not recognize subtle. See the meaning of this word subtle? Let me first fill this side. Subtle, it means minor or delicate. Subtle differences between sounds and words. So, this kind of student, this kind of child who have APD disorder or APD problem, that child cannot recognize the delicate, subtle, minor differences between the sounds and different kinds of words. Dyscalculia is a condition that affects a person's ability to understand numbers and learn math, science and symbols. So, in dyscalculia, what kind of problems the child have? In this condition, the person or the child cannot understand number, cannot learn math or science properly or the symbols properly. While dysgraphia affects a person's handwriting ability and motor skills. See the meaning of this word motor here? Motor, it means relating to muscular movement. Digraphia affect a person's handwriting abilities and fine motor skills. So in digraphia, the person have some kind of problem in his handwriting. His muscles cannot work appropriately rightly. Dyslexia is a learning disorder affecting reading and language-based processing skill like reading fluency, decoding. See the meaning of this word, decode. Decode, it means convert a coded message into intelligible language. Dyslexia is a learning disorder affecting reading and language-based processing skills like reading fluency, decoding, recall, writing, and sometimes even speech. So, in dyslexia, there are many problems of children given here. Particularly, these kind of children have problem in reading language-based skills such as fluency in reading, decoding. It means there is given if any coded matter or any symbol, he cannot recognize that. Listening, writing, and other also, in other skills also, he had some kind of problems. Many aspects of speaking, listening, reading, writing, and arithmetic overlap. See the meaning of this word, overlap. Let me first give you the meaning of arithmetic. Arithmetic, it is science of numbers and overlap. It means extend over something so as to cover partly and build on the same brain capabilities. So there are many aspects of learning process are given here: speaking, listening, reading, writing, arithmetic overlaps, and build on the same capabilities. They have many kinds of problem if the child have three kinds of disorders: dyslexia, dygraphia, or dyscalculia. It is not surprising that problem can be diagnosed. Is the meaning of this word? It means determine the nature of. Diagnosed with more than one learning disability. So, if any person or any child having more than one disorder, so it is not surprising thing for anyone. For example, the ability to understand language underlies. See the meaning of this word, underlies. Underline, it means be a cause of. Another meaning is be a basis of. For example, the ability to understand language underlies learning to speak. So, here is given one example. If anyone want to understand any language, for that he need first to speak in that language. After that, he will learn to learn that language. Therefore, any disorder that hinders the ability to understand language will not interfere. Interfere, see the meaning of this word? Interfere, it means prevent from continuing. Another meaning is get in the way of. Therefore, any disorder that hinders the ability to understand language will not interfere with the development of speech, which in turn hinders learning to read and write. So, if any disorder that is not blocking up, obstructing any ability to understand language, that ability will not interfere. It means prevent from continuing the development of your speech, and which in turn hinders learning to read and write. ADHD, it means attention deficit. See the meaning of this word, deficit. It means lacking. Deficit, hyperactive. Hyperactive, it means abnormally or extremely active. ADHD, it means attention deficit hyperactive disorder. So what is this disorder? There is given the meaning ahead of it. Includes difficulty staying focused or paying attention. So if any child or any person having this kind of ADHD disorder, so that person cannot stay focused or pay attention on anything continuously for a long time. Restlessness, we can see restlessness in that person, in that child, and difficulty in controlling behavior, and that person, that child cannot control on his behavior. So in this way, today we are going to stop here. Thank you very much.